Debonair. Okay.
What's good, y'all? Shout out to Notification Gang for hitting the like button. And the video didn't even start yet. Y'all the realest ones in it. I appreciate you anyway. I want to give a special shout out to the justice system. A special shout out. We have Jesse Butler here, y'all, who has basically been cleared of everything. And this young man now has, I can see within the near future, this man running for the president of the United States and winning. Oh, yes, I do. I sure do. I sure do. This man has a high probability of becoming the president of this of this country, this United States of America. Yes, sir. Yep. The justice system, as I've said to y'all before, is not for us in majority. I remember in my first, and if I remember, I put the link in the description also too as well. But I remember in the first video when this first happened, I said this verbatim. I was like, "Yo, listen, they probably gonna give him a slap on the wrist." Mind y'all, I got homeboys from 5 years, 10 years ago, 15 years ago. We was like, what, 16 years old, 18 years old? I got homeboys that got sentenced to years for stealing clothes out of a goddamn mall, out of Sears. Y'all remember Sears? My age is coming out, but y'all remember Sears? The clothing store? Well, I mean, it's more than clothing, but the clothing store? I had homeboys that got years for having weed on them. Non-violent crimes getting sentenced to years. But here we have a young man allegedly assaulting sexually, I think 2 or 3 girls, multiple girls, more than one, allegedly breaking one of the girls' necks. And if y'all read the transcripts, again, allegedly, one of the girls said he assaulted me and his mother was in the next room. His mother can hear me screaming. She said as he finally gets off of her, as she finally walks out of the room, the mother approaches her, allegedly, again, ain't nobody suing me. The mother allegedly says to her, "Oh, he was just playing with you. He just like, that's how he likes to play." Let's get into this video, y'all. Y'all don't want to hear me. Y'all don't want to hear me.
Orthopedics. It's more.
Of course, damn ads. This is the type of dumbass nonsense. Let me trick myself, my bad. This is the dumbass nonsense that I'm constantly talking about. And there was people that got mad at me because I called him Brock Turner 2.0. Y'all remember Brock Turner, the dude that dragged a lady allegedly behind a dumpster and assaulted her sexually? Thank God for those 2 bikers, 2 dudes that was riding a bike, pulled this dude off of her and got him arrested. Y'all remember that? Let's get into the video. Let me unmute this.
Open the door. It's me. And if you'll just have him step out and give me your wallet and phone and stuff. So, okay. Your what?
They're in the car.
Well, okay, it's fine. It's not locked or anything, is it? Okay. So, can you tell him what you just told me, or?
Yeah, so we're here, we're obviously going to place you under arrest. There's a warrant for your arrest. We're going to take you to the jail. I told your mom that she can contact a bondsman, and you shouldn't be very long, but there just is a process for paperwork and stuff. But right now you do have to come with us, and I do have to put you in handcuffs, so turn around for me.
You have to put in handcuffs?
I left her up in the car with transport somebody in the cousin.
You know what this. It's okay.
And again, Black people, I am begging y'all. I want y'all to pay attention to how nice and polite officers treat them in situations like this. I can't even begin to tell y'all how many times I done been pulled over for a cop for doing a quote unquote a rolling stop. and the damn police officer comes up yelling, screaming, cursing at goddamn me because I did a rolling stop at a stop sign. Because I was going 8 miles above the goddamn speed limit. Getting off aggressive, yanking me out the goddamn car. Bro, all I did was a goddamn rolling stop. You act like I committed murder. Like I just SA'd a lady. But look at how patient and quiet they are with them. Not quiet, but patient and talkative and respectful. Listen to this, y'all. This is crazy.
Yeah.
I'll get you out for me. All right, stay silent. Rick knows about this. Candy's on this. Dad's on his way. We're coming to get you, okay? Stay strong, okay? Say your prayers.
Okay, so he's going to go right to the city of Stillwater jail, and if you'll just contact her, then she does this all the time. She knows what to do.
Yep.
Make sure
Okay.
she knows Stillwater Police Department, not a county.
Stillwater Police Department.
Insane. Oklahoma teen accused of, can't say that word, 2 girls walks free. Gay fiercely falls in the feds. Made my blood boil. Everyone involved in this case needs to be, first of all, the judge included, but everyone that's involved in this case needs to be goddamn arrested, debarred, have their bar license taken away from them, starting with the goddamn judge that oversaw all of this, the goddamn DA that saw all of it. Not DA, but hell, his dude's lawyer. Hell, lock their ass up too. I don't give a damn. Lock the lawyer up too. An Oklahoma teenager accused of, again, can't say that word, and strangling 2 high school girls saw his criminal case dismissed after completing a youthful offender rehabilitation plan. What in the fuck is that? My homeboys wasn't offered a youthful offender rehab plan. What the hell is that? What does that even mean? Black people don't know what the hell this is. Y'all see how they come up with these types of things for them? Do y'all see? I got homeboys that did damn near 6 years in jail because they had about a QP of half a pound of weed on them. It's at that weight where it's considered distribution, or I guess the new word they call it trafficking to an extent now. For weed, non-violent crimes, weed is a plant. My homeboy did damn near 18 months, 2 years for stealing clothes out of Sears, out of a goddamn mall. I got other homeboys that did more time for stealing True Religion jeans. Apparently, it's considered, to an extent, I think it's called grand larceny or something like that. Because back then, I mean, I don't know if True Religion jeans still cost as much, but back then, the early 2000s, 06, 08, 2010, somewhere around there, them jeans was like damn near 200 a pair, 300 a pair. 3 of my homeboys, they went and stole damn near 2, 3, 4 boxes full of them damn things. The truck pulled up to the goddamn mall. Back then, I guess the damn driver left the thing unattended. I don't know the details. I wasn't there. I'm just telling y'all from what I heard on the goddamn news. But yeah, they came and started swiping. They got caught because they caught the license plate on the goddamn camera. Got caught the same day, hours later. But let's dismiss the charges because he completed a youthful offender rehab plan. What the hell does that even mean? I'm begging y'all to put in the comment section and educate me, because I don't know. Jesse Mack Butler was 17 when he was charged as an adult in Payne County in March 2025 with 10 felony counts tied to alleged attacks on 2 girls he had dated. The charges included 2 counts of attempted first-degree R-word, 3 counts of, again, can't say that word, by instrumentation, sexual battery, forcible oral sodomy, 2 counts of domestic assault, and battery by strangulation, and 1 account of domestic assault and battery. How in the hell does this dude get out? I need to know who the hell this dude lawyer is. I need to figure this out. Who this dude lawyer is. This is what happens when you're a father, when your family has high seats in high places, or knows people in high seats in those high places. This is what happens, ladies and gentlemen. This is what happened. Let's keep going. The attorney asked that he be certified as a youthful offender or alternatively treated as a juvenile. 17 years old. My homeboys got locked up at 15. Y'all charged him as an adult. Now all of a sudden y'all want to treat him as a juvenile at 17. Black people, do y'all see how they move the goalposts? Do y'all see how they play? I got pulled over for doing a rolling stop in an empty parking lot, mind y'all. I was leaving. I think I was leaving I think I was leaving Walmart or something like that. At an empty parking lot because I got there late. I was trying to buy some last minute groceries. I one of the last people there. Y'all know how it is when you get to the goddamn front door, everything locked up. You gotta wait for the damn Walmart associate to come and let you out because I was taking my time trying to hurry up and finish my last minute shopping. I had just got off because y'all know I be working multiple jobs. So I had just got off. I had got home. I was like, bro, I'm tired, man. I'm gonna have to go to Walmart, grab something. Da, 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 da. I think Walmart closed at 11. Here it is, 10:20, 10:30. I'm trying to hurry up and do my shopping. I walked out at damn just past 11, 11:10, 11:15. Get outside. I didn't even notice. I kind of saw there was a police officer, but I didn't think nothing of it. I got inside, loaded my car up, drove to the goddamn stop sign. Wasn't nobody there. It was literally an empty parking lot. The police pulls me over because I did a rolling stop. Yelling, screaming, cursing at the top of his goddamn lungs. Y'all think you can do whatever if y'all want to do. And da, da, da. Sir, there's nobody here. It doesn't matter. You're supposed to come to a complete stop. Blah, 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 blah. Gave it to my lawyer, took it to court. The judge threw it out. But in this situation with Jesse, listen to how peaceful and how calm the police officer is. So I was explaining to your mother, unfortunately, we're going to have to put you in handcuffs. So if you could just do us a favor and turn around, please. You know, you're just going to be arrested. You're charged with such. Y'all don't ever talk to me like that. Cool, let's keep going. August 25th, Butler pleaded no contest to all 11 accounts. A judge found that he entered the pleas knowingly and voluntarily and that there was no factual basis for them. According to the court docket reviewed by Fox News, the court pronounced sentencing up to 10 years on several counts, but placed Butler under supervision of Oklahoma Office of Juvenile Affairs. Again, how the hell is he a juvenile? He's 17. Y'all charged my homeboys as an adult and he was 15. Cool. Oklahoma Office of Juvenile Affairs instead of sending him to prison. Sentence hung over him while he completed a court-approved rehabilitation plan. Review hearing records from December 2025 and April 2025 said Butler remained in compliance with his rehab plan. I'm sure he did. I'm sure he did. At his final review hearing on August 3rd, prosecutor announced that they would not seek to transfer him to custody of supervision of Oklahoma Department of Corrections. Court jurisdiction expired when Butler turned 19 at midnight on August 4th, causing the case to be dismissed by operations of law. The final hearing turned contentious when defense attorney Derek Vance suggested Butler was innocent and was victimized by the case, according to newly elected Payne and Logan County District Attorney Jeremiah Gregory. Quote, today's hearing included disingenuous assertions from the defense regarding the defendant's innocence, that he was the victim in this matter, and that the victim's assertion were false and had no bearing. How the hell was he the victim, y'all? How in the hell was he the victim? No federal charges have been announced. News reached out to Payne and Logan County District Attorney Office, Oklahoma Office of Juvenile Affairs, Butler's attorney, and other attorneys connected to the case for additional comment. Yeah, I want to know what the hell they got to say to this. It would be a shame a third girl would need to go through a horrible night with this guy before something is actually done. I hope his record is not expunged. It needs to follow him for a long time. If not, at least the internet is forever. Someone said, this is disgusting. This young man destroyed his victim's chance to have a happy, normal childhood and likely caused a lifetime of mental anguish and fear. The judge should be impeached. Calling the feds is not enough. With decisions like this, I would not be surprised to see a return to vigilance. Man, listen, the judge needs to be locked up. I'm sorry. The judge needs to be debarred, impeached, like they said, debarred, impeached, and needs to be charged and sentenced, because there's no way in hell why y'all let this man go because he completed a rehab plan. What the hell? Black people, I'm begging y'all to jump in the comments. Did y'all know about this? Because I didn't. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'm just a dumbass that dropped out of third grade. I don't know. Maybe I'm the idiot that don't know about a rehab plan. But did y'all know that these types of things existed? What does that even mean? What is this? But I'm the crazy one. Dev crazy. Dev don't know what the hell he be talking about. Dev just get in front of his camera and just be saying anything. That's what y'all be saying in the comment section. Let's keep going. Is it any wonder why people do not trust the government? Those responsible will not lose a minute of sleep. Facts. It will not stop him from continuing on. No, that's a fact. I give it 6 months to a year, and we're going to hear another case of another young lady. It only emboldens him going forward. I think judges that do this should have to live with the people they free for 1 year. That's a fact. The prosecution agreed to youthful offender status. Why? And now they are complaining. It's just really. Oh, there's replies here. My bad, y'all. I ain't see this. It's another day in Ultra MAGA Oklahoma. That's a fact. That's a fact. Y'all know the MAGA supporters, they love people like him. They support these types of men and women, but they support these dudes. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. These are the same people that didn't want us to release the Epstein files. These are the same people that wants the Epstein files, even if they either want it to not be released or to be released and be extremely redacted. Wipe out, wipe out, erase, white out their people's names, what they did, all those other things. They just wanted to be just a skeleton, an empty docket. But y'all think I'm crazy, man. Let me get up out of here, man. I ain't gonna read no more of these comments, man. I want y'all to comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video, man. Thanks for watching. And until next time, please, man, I'll be safe for her, cub.